Do you know that healthy hair starts with healthy scalp? That's why Dove Dermacare is the most recommended by dermatologists because you deserve a 100% care for stronger, dandruff-free hair with zero compromise. I've tried many anti-dandruff shampoo before that yes, they do clear your dandruff, but the thing is they leave your hair feeling dry and your scalp stripped of moisture. That's why I used to think I have to choose between dandruff-free hair and healthy hair. Until I found the Dove Dermacare Scalp, now I don't have to choose because I get to have both. Let me show you how Dove Dermacare Scalp works. The green variant Hair Fall Recovery contains powerful ingredients like parathenolamine to fight dandruff and sunflower seed oil as well as niacinamide to nourish and strengthen your hair. Not only does it get rid of flakes and itch, but it also stops hair fall, giving you stronger, healthier hair. For those with irritated, itchy scalps, the purple variant Soothing Moisture offers relief with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, keeping your hair soft and nourished. While the parathenolamine clears away dandruff, no more trade-offs between dandruff care and hair health. As you guys can see, my hair is so smooth, strong, and healthy. Dove Dermacare Scalp really changed the game for me. I love it. Now it's makeup time, and for today's video I'm so excited to show you guys my Thai inspired bridal makeup look. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with eyebrows, I'm just tracing my natural brow shape and I'm using the one from Focallure. I've been using this for years now. It's so affordable and it works pretty well. The next product that I'm using is from the brand called Biya. This one is 69 pesos. Can you guys believe that? It's so affordable and it lasts super long. So I really love using it. Moving on with eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow I'm just using a white base or something a lot more neutral or closer to your natural skin tone, and I'm just applying that all over my lids as well as on my eye pillow. Then using a one shade darker shade, I'm gonna apply that on my outer and inner corner of my eye, just in the crease area, and I'm just gonna blend it in. And then whatever's remaining on the brush, I'm gonna apply on my eye pillow. Now using a pinky peach shade, I'm gonna apply that on the outer corner of my crease and I'm gonna blend it in. Now using an eyeliner brush, I'm gonna apply a darker shade of peach on the inner corner of my eye as well as on the outer corner of my eye, closer to my lash line. You guys, this part is so important. I'm gonna be applying a beige or white eyeliner on my lower waterline. And then applying a very shimmery eyeshadow on the center part of my lids. Then I'm also applying that on the center part of my eye pillow. I was actually debating if I should do a winged eyeliner or not, but I thought, you know what, winged eyeliner on a bridal makeup look is beautiful, I think. So yeah, I'm doing winged eyeliner. Now it's time to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. I'm applying mascara all over my lashes, but for my lower lashes, I'm just applying it mostly on the outer part of my lashes. And I basically cut my lashes, fake lashes, in half, and I'm just gonna apply it on the outer corner of my eye. For blush, I'm first using a very light pink lavenderish type of color. This one is from Clinique, and I'm gonna be linking all the products on the description box so you guys could check it out. Then after that, I'm gonna apply a darker shade but still very light shade of pink, and the one that I'm using is from Hourglass. It's actually called Ethereal Glow, and I'm just applying that on the temples of my cheeks. For the lips, I'm using a very pink lip tint at the center part of my lips, and this one is so long lasting, so I think it's perfect for brides. And then I'm just going to be using a lip pencil, like this one is in pink nude shade. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my lips and blend that in, and then I'm applying just a simple pink gloss on top of it. And yes, we're done, you guys. This is the bridal makeup look, and I hope you guys liked it. Bye.